How's it going, guys? Today I'm going to be doing an intake model on my Jeep. The factory intake right here has all these things that hang down off of it, all these baffles, and it pinches it right here, so you lose a little bit of airflow. Not sure if it's going to actually do anything, but it's pretty cheap. It's worth a shot. So what I got is some 3-inch aluminum pipe, 3.5 to 3-inch adapter for right here. And then you have a 3-inch 90-degree elbow. You're gonna have to end up cutting it a little bit because where it comes off right here, it's not perfectly straight towards the front, so you have to cut that. Besides that, you just need a grommet for the sensor, and then 2 3-inch clamps because they're gonna reuse this one and this one just to save money. Tools, flathead, 10 millimeter 5/16, a ratchet. That should be it. All right, to start, we're gonna go ahead and remove the factory intake. That's 2 10 mils right here. Take out these 2 clamps, and they should pull right out. Obviously, got to disconnect this hose as well. All right, once you got everything loose, you got this disconnected right here. Just go ahead and tug it off. Just be gentle with it because there's a connection we got to undo down here underneath. So let me go ahead and flip that around and then push this tab down and kind of wiggle it out. There you go. And now you can go ahead and pull it out. All right, to go ahead and remove the sensor, you just need your flathead. Go ahead and go right underneath it and pop it up. I've already got it popped up. I'm just kind of showing you guys what you do. And then it's over that notch. You go ahead and take it and you twist it. And then you go ahead and gently kind of pull it out. There you go. Go ahead and set that in a safe spot. Just set it to the side. Now you can go ahead and get everything put in there and mocked up. You see this doesn't line up with this at all. It's not too far off, but it's just enough so that, you know, I'm not comfortable with that. So we're gonna go ahead and cut it a little bit like that, maybe not that extreme. I'll go ahead and mess around with it, get back to you guys, show you guys how much I cut off. So I got everything cut up. It's not the prettiest cut, but you know, it'll do. Lines up a lot better. So now I'll take your pipe, kind of try to get an idea where you gotta cut it. So go ahead and make a mark about, you know, let it line up right there. Give it about 3/4 of an inch or so. And then go ahead and cut that so it fits in there. Alright guys, once you guys got it cut, you see all those burrs in there, just go ahead and take a wire brush to them, see if you can get them out of there. I got everything test fit, lines up pretty good. Probably end up cleaning up this cut right here. It doesn't look that nice. See if I can get some of those extra pieces that are sticking out gone. But fits good. Next step, we're gonna have to drill a hole in this pipe around here, but a little bit further underneath, that we can plug in that sensor back again. Next step is to go ahead and drill a hole. I already marked out a spot, and then that's where your grommet's gonna go. One sec. Alright, once you guys got the hole drilled, all the burrs taken out, you can put the grommet in and then go ahead and just push your sensor right through the grommet. Should look like through the inside. And then you're good to go ahead and start putting it back together. I think I'm gonna go ahead and paint this black just because I want it to look kind of, you know, not so ricey, I guess. A little more stealthy, doesn't look as obvious. But it's getting kind of dark out, so might have to continue this tomorrow morning. Alright, so it's dark out now, so let's go ahead and put everything back in, kind of see how it looks. Everything fits good. Got the sensor plugged in down there. Don't know if you can see it. Kind of hard to see, it's right there. But tomorrow I will paint that black and go ahead and get you guys a sound clip to see if it sounds any different than the factory intake. Just to prove to you guys what gas mileage it's getting going down the highway. It's not changing. I didn't just reset it. It's staying there. I'm not going downhill. Well, I'm about to be, but that's what gas mileage I'm getting with it. I got about 18 beforehand, so it's not bad. Okay, so it's the next day, and this is what the finished product looks like. In my opinion, it looks a lot nicer painted black. But everything fits nice, and you saw last night I got a little bit better gas mileage. Maybe it's you know, a freak incident, but seems to be doing good so far. I've been on a couple runs with it and see about 1 to 2 miles to the gallon better. So I'll get you guys a sound clip coming up next.